3, 2, 1. Liftoff, Falcon 9.
Who knows what's out there? There's lots of options for all kinds of different things.
They say, aim for the moon.
We actually have 5 spacecraft in development right now, one of which is in space.
But who wants to be a cliché when you can make it to Mars?
The InSight mission is the first mission to really study the interior of Mars. We can compare it with the interior of Earth, and that'll help us understand how planets have formed in the solar system.
Tim Wise works at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, or JPL. The Cal Poly grad oversaw Mars InSight operations. The robotic lander touched down on Mars late last month.
It was an amazing sense of relief and accomplishment.
InSight launched from Vandenberg Air Force Base on May 5th, along with 2 mini satellites that were tested at Cal Poly.
There was a lot of Cal Poly involvement.
In fact, Cal Poly grads are making a name for themselves when it comes to space exploration.
It's really great to see where all our students end up.
Tori Bruno is the CEO of United Launch Alliance, which will send astronauts in space. And Victor Glover is a NASA astronaut who will be traveling out of this world with SpaceX. But even rocket scientists gotta start somewhere.
We get the students involved in building, launching and operating satellites right from day one.
At the Polysat lab, aerospace engineering students like Gregory Heaton have found their calling.
Being part of this lab is definitely the best thing I've done at Cal Poly.
The Cal Poly senior and his lab peers assemble spacecrafts like these.
They're anywhere from this size to maybe 3 of those.
One of their satellites, Dave, was just launched from Vandenberg Air Force Base in September.
The diagram here shows where all the satellites that we're currently tracking are. So you can see there's 4 of them at the moment.
We have the antennas here to actually operate the satellites ourselves.
The whole process can take 2 to 3 years or 10. But Amelia says it's a good thing the students have patience and Cal Poly grad role models.
It's great for our students to be able to look up to them and be like, that could be me.
And who knows, maybe the next aerospace engineering grad will one day make it to Mars. In San Luis Obispo, Natalie Vera reporting.